Here's a great deal on a 2011 Toyota Tundra. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this truck lines up eagerly against competing models, delivering the perfect blend of power, safety, and flair. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, skid plates, and cruise control. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.